her? Do you see her? Ooh, look at the body.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Kileigh Nichelle, but you can call me Kai, and it's Kai like hi y'all. And today we are going to be reviewing or unboxing this wig that I just got. So I'm on a budget with my life at the moment. So, but I also want to highlight the wigs. So I found one for, damn, I should have got the price before I did this. I found it for $24 or something like that. I'll put the real price on the screen. But it just came from Amazon, like I said, or if I didn't say, whatever. Anyways, I'm about to just unbox it for y'all right now. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very cute. I like black packaging. It goes and says, best design gives you the best. All right, let's just open it. I'm coming to y'all live and direct with my Meek Millies on, so we're just gonna throw this on. Once we get this, ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. This is pretty. Let me do it this way so you guys can see. So the brand name is IC Queens. Probably butchered that, but that's what I do. Looks very nice. Comes in a hairnet. Let's take the hairnet off. Okay, y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all. Where my brush at? Hold on, let me grab my brush. This is alright. Ooh. You see her? Do you see her? Ooh, look at the body. Look at the body. Look at the body. Body. Look at the body. Ooh. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm feeling it. I'm just going through it. So once I first took it out, the packaging, I was getting snags, but that's probably, I don't know why. So, but when I did it with the brush, I'm not getting any snags. This is what the parting looks like. That looks very Caucasian, so I'm gonna have to fix that. This is what the lace looks like in the inside. I highly dislike that fabric felted closures, but whatever, I'll figure it out. And the hairline is pretty thick, so you will have to go in and pluck it. In the interior of the wig, there are combs. Ooh, that's cute. So it has the option so you can throw it up in a bun, and has the little closure piece in the back. And as you can see, they pre-cut the back for like baby hairs in the back, or your edges in the back. So I'm just gonna throw this on my head. Oh, okay. I had blonde hair since high school, so this is very interesante. Mucho interesante. Boom. Oh, it's kind of cute. Hold on. Ouch. Hold on. Hold on. I think this would be super cute with some layers, like framing my face. These are what the highlights look like. And you're getting what you're paid for. It's only $24, but so it's not going to be like majorly blended. Like you can clearly see like where the highlights are. But I ain't really pressed for that. I am getting some snags, but if I put some bio silk in it, let's just flip this under real quick just to see. So like I said, that part is very Caucasian, so I'm going to have to edit the closure part. It's not terrible though. I think it's just a fact. I don't like fabric closures because it's like thick up here, and I don't like that. But let me go style this, and I'll probably be back another day because so far I gave it a 6.57 out of 10.
Okay, so this is the wig fresh on my head. I'm going to tell you now, it tangles and it sheds. So let's put some, this is not really Biosilk, this is Styling Solutions Silk Drops. So we're going to put some silk drops in the nape of my neck to see if it stops the shedding that we're having, or not the shedding, the tangling, which already it has improved. that. I'm not really too pressed about the ends because that is going to get cut off shortly. I am going for like this 90s layer type look. And yeah, I'm very excited to start snipping her away and making her how I want it to. So far, now it's a lot better now that I put the silk drops in it. It's not as tangly and I can actually like run my fingers through without a problem.
Let's just get into it, okay? Oh, my candle fell and I caught it. See, that's the universe looking out into our song. Oh God, Lord, please help me into a bigger space, please. So this is the final outcome. I literally just threw some uneven layers in here and tried to bump the ends a little bit. I kind of want to curl it, but for now, this is cool. It's kind of hard to achieve the way I want this to look because maybe it's the person doing it, but neither here nor there. I think I need to get some more makeup with redder tones because my neck and my face is not really doing the thing. Anyways, for the look for the time being, I don't think it's bad. I think it helped me achieve like what I was going for. I'm happy with it. Also, I want to show you guys that it did come with a thank you card, which is this here. Basically just tells you how to wash it and thank you for using and purchasing this here. Also it has their Instagram on the back if you guys want to check that out. Yeah, I give this hair I'll give it a 6.578. 7.5. I'll give it a 7.5. Now that I put the silk drops in it, it doesn't shed as much, it doesn't catch as much. There's not as much tangles. It's not shedding as much. So yeah, if you want to get this wig for like a quick little thing, I'd say do it. Like quick little photo shoot, yeah, why not? Only $24. Get into it. And yes, that is my short little review on this hair. I'm gonna take some pictures and hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out.